Myself, Dr. Vilas Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Yashwantrao Chavan, Varna Mahavidyalaya, Varnanagar, and today we are going to study the green audit. And here we are going to make the green audit of Shripatrao Chougule, Mahavidyalaya, Malwadi, Kotoli. We know that in concept of the green auditing is the process of identifying and determining whether the institution practices are eco-friendly and sustainable. The main objective to carry out green audit is to check green practices followed by educational institute and to conduct a well-formulated green audit report to understand where we stand on a scale of environmental soundness. We know that in educational institute there are the learning and teaching and other activities are to be done, but that activities are the green practices or not. They are going to suffer the environment or they are going to enhance the environment, and this is to be studied inside the process of the green audit. In green audit there are the two types of the audit. One is the internal audit and other is the external audit. Internal audit, it may be conducted by the institutional experts. These are the college experts or the green audit committee which is formed by the college. External audit, in external audit, the environmental lead auditors or the private agencies which are recognized by the Ministry of the Environmental and Forest or the government of the India, which are recognized by the central government, that is the New Delhi, or the same Ministry of the Safe Government or the other expert panel. But in educational institute we are not need to make the external audit. We can make the internal audit by the green audit committee or the any external expert of the another college who can make the institutional green audit, and it can give the certificate about the audit. Then inside the green audit there are the three phases. One is the three phases or the three steps. One is the pre-audit step, second is the audit, and other is the post-audit. In the pre-audit, the scope of the audit is defined. Then what type of audit is to be met. In audit, which indicators is to be insert, which indicators are to be studied. That is the scope of the audit is defined first. Various initiatives during the academic year are confirmed. Means in academic year, that is the process of the audit or the duration of the audit is decided, and in that duration we can study the all indicators of the audit. Second, that is the actual process of the conduction of the audit. That is the second is the audit. Audit is the college has been conducting the green audit, forming the green audit committee. That is the actual process of the audit, and it will be led by, that is the expert who can gives the guideline about the how the auditing is to be made, how the auditing is to be conducted, how the different questionnaire is, different indicators are to be studied. And third is the post audit. Post audit is very essential. The college authorities reviews the environmental related initiatives, and that will be implemented according to the internal green audit report or the remedies, and it is formulated action plan that will be also known as a management plan for the next academic year or the next duration. And when the audit is to be conducted, after the conduction of the audit, expert make the reports, and in that report it will be gives the weaknesses, or the first is the strength of the institution, then weaknesses of the institution, and priority based work, that is the management plan. And according to that management plan, the green audit or the green audit process is to be completed. Okay, thank you.